The future of heavy-duty trucking is here. Meet the Windrose Class 8 BEV. The Windrose Class 8 BEV is revolutionizing heavy-duty transport with full electric power and zero emissions. Designed for urban and regional hauling, it delivers massive torque, smooth acceleration, and quiet operation without compromising performance. Advanced battery technology ensures impressive range and efficiency, while the rugged chassis and reinforced suspension handle the toughest loads with confidence. Inside, the driver-focused cab offers comfort, intuitive digital controls, and cutting-edge safety systems built for long shifts. Reliable, sustainable, and future-ready, the Windrose Class 8 BEV proves that going electric doesn't mean losing power. It means driving the heavy-duty industry forward. Built for the toughest terrain on Earth, this is the Volvo FMX. The Volvo FMX is a true heavy-duty workhorse, engineered for construction, mining, and extreme off-road operations. With its rugged chassis, high ground clearance, and powerful drivetrain, the FMX delivers unmatched durability and control in the harshest conditions. Advanced traction systems and Volvo's legendary safety technology give drivers confidence on unstable surfaces and heavy loads. Inside, the cab is designed for long, demanding shifts, offering comfort, visibility, and smart digital controls. Strong, reliable, and built to perform where others struggle, the Volvo FMX is not just a truck, it's a machine made to conquer. What if a heavy-duty truck could be powerful, silent, and zero emission? Meet the DAF XD Electric. The DAF XD Electric is redefining heavy-duty transport for the modern era. Built for demanding urban and regional operations, this electric powerhouse delivers strong torque, smooth acceleration, and zero emissions without compromising performance. Its advanced electric drivetrain ensures quiet operation, lower running costs, and exceptional efficiency. Inside, the driver-focused cabin offers premium comfort, smart digital controls, and top-level safety systems designed for long shifts and tight city routes. Reliable, sustainable, and future-ready, the DAF XD Electric proves that going electric doesn't mean going weak. It means moving forward with confidence and power. Meet the ultimate road warrior, built for power and precision. The Western Star 57X. The Western Star 57X is a heavy-duty marvel engineered for the toughest hauling challenges. With a robust frame, powerful engine options, and exceptional torque, it dominates highways and demanding work sites with confidence. Its aerodynamic yet rugged design improves efficiency without compromising strength, while the driver-focused cab delivers comfort, advanced controls, and smart safety systems for long hauls. Whether towing massive loads or navigating rugged terrain, the 57X combines reliability, durability, and unmatched performance. For those who demand a truck that works as hard as they do, the Western Star 57X sets the standard in heavy-duty excellence. The future of trucks is here, and it's electric. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is redefining what a heavy-duty truck can be. With its all-electric powertrain, it delivers instant torque, massive towing capacity, and unparalleled acceleration, all without a drop of gas. Its futuristic, ultra-durable exoskeleton is designed to handle the toughest jobs while turning heads on the road. Inside, the minimalist, tech-forward cabin offers advanced controls, autopilot features, and smart connectivity for a modern driving experience. From hauling heavy loads to off-road adventures, the Cybertruck combines innovation, strength, and sustainability. Bold, capable, and unstoppable, the Tesla Cybertruck proves the future of heavy-duty trucking is already here. This is not just a pickup. This is raw, heavy-duty power. Meet the 2026 Ram 3500. The 2026 Ram 3500 Heavy Duty is built for those who demand unstoppable strength and absolute reliability. Designed to dominate the toughest jobs, it delivers massive towing capability, rock-solid durability, and confident performance under extreme loads. Its bold exterior reflects serious work power, while the refined interior offers advanced technology, premium comfort, and smart safety features that keep drivers in full control. Whether hauling heavy equipment or conquering long workdays, the Ram 3500 proves why it stands at the top of the heavy-duty segment. Powerful, dependable, and engineered to work harder than the rest. When the job demands unstoppable strength, this truck delivers. Ford Super Duty F450. The Ford Super Duty F450 is the ultimate heavy-duty powerhouse built to handle the most demanding tasks. With massive towing capacity, exceptional payload, and rock-solid durability, it conquers job sites and highways alike. Its bold exterior commands attention, while the driver-focused cabin combines comfort, advanced technology, and intuitive controls for long, grueling workdays. Smart safety features and reinforced construction ensure confidence on every mile. Whether hauling, towing, or navigating tough terrain, the F450 proves why it's a leader in the heavy-duty segment. Powerful, reliable, and engineered for work, the Ford Super Duty F450 never backs down. When the job demands real muscle, this truck answers loud and clear. GMC Sierra HD. The GMC Sierra Heavy Duty is engineered for serious work and uncompromising performance. Built with a reinforced frame and powerful heavy-duty capability, it delivers confident towing, strong torque, and rock-solid stability under extreme loads. Its bold, professional design is matched by a refined interior featuring advanced driver technology, intuitive controls, and premium comfort for long, demanding days. Smart safety systems and proven durability make the Sierra HD a truck you can trust on every job site and every mile. Tough, capable, and purpose-built, the GMC Sierra HD is where strength meets precision.